Welcome to the Wow Wow Kids TV. Open.
Wow, what do we have today? This is a Paw Patrol. Let's see. It's a Paw Patrol RC car. Who is that? Daniel, who is that?
I'm going to check out.
You cannot take out? Wow! Oh my gosh! This is Chase! What color is Chase's uniform? It's blue. What color is the car? It's also blue. Wow! Look at who is this? This is Chase wearing a blue police cap and a blue uniform. Wow, Daniel, which character is this?
Chase.
Chase! And what color is his uniform?
Oh.
Blue! Well, look at this police car. It has 4 wheels. Let's count the wheels. 1.
This is 4 wheel.
Yeah, 2, 3, 4, and 1 more small wheel.
3, 4, 5.
Yes!
5 wheels.
That's great. Wow, wow, wow. And we also have a little silver here. Blue, red, and yellow. This yellow stripe versus a white background over here.
Yeah, darling.
How do we switch this on? Yes, let's do it. Ready, set, go! Today we are going to take a look at this magnetic jigsaw puzzle from Paw Patrol. And we have... What is this?
Chase.
How about this?
Sky.
Sky. How about this?
Marshall.
Marshall. Marshall is a fighter. And Chase is a police dog. And this is Sky's on the lookout. Let's take a look what's inside.
Open like this.
Yes, let's open it. Oh, and we also have another character here. Who is this character?
Rubble.
Rubble on the double. And Chase on the case. Wow, look at this. Jigsaw is a magnetic jigsaw. And over here we have their headquarters called the lookout. We have a sun. And what is this? It's a bird. What kind of bird is this? This is an eagle. It's a magnetic jigsaw. Let's take a look how it works. How many pieces of jigsaw puzzles do we have? Let's do some counting. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. How about Chase?
This. Great work. What about this? This is the body. Put it. Again. Yes, great work. Okay. What about this? Okay, look at here. There's green over here, so we put it here. The green facing bottom. Yes, great job. Okay, we left the final piece. Okay, we left the final piece. Yeah. Okay, done. Okay, next page. What is that?
Marshall.
Wow, let's take a look. What is this?
Marshall's cat.
Marsha's hat. And where can you find Marsha's helmet?
Here.
Yes, this is Marsha's helmet. What color is the helmet? It's red.
See? Butterfly.
Looks like an ant. The ant. Can't you find the ant?
No.
Look carefully. Where is the ant?
Two.
Yes. Hello, ant. A for ant. How about the sun?
for
Where is the
A.
sun?
For egg.
Where's the sun? Where is the sun?
Yeah.
Oh wow, we have a second puzzle. Wow, what is this? This is Bravo. This is
I want to take up.
Bridle.
Take up.
This is Sky.
No, take up.
And
Take up.
this is Chase.
Orange.
Yellow. Yellow is the
Yellow.
color
This
of
is
Bravo's
orange. This is yellow.
uniform. And the color of this uniform is blue. And the color of Sky's uniform is pink. Where is Zuma? Zuma is here and his uniform is orange and Zuma is brown. Where is Zuma?
Okay. Okay, this one. Marshall face. Where's Marshall helmet? Marshall face, Marshall helmet. So you put it together. Yes, put it together. Then. Lift it up, put it down. Lift it up. Okay. Lift it up. And you put it down. Okay, your turn. Lift it up and you put it down. Yes. Okay. Take a look at his leg. Great job.
Yay! Okay, now let's take a look at what we have here. We have a bottle of water, a kitty cat, a green bicycle, a pail, a turtle. Wow, you did it! Give me a high five!
I want to take out.